we got the 10 car 3-door feeder feature blue line feed, our homebound train, the blue line. And also the opposite platform number 1, the 10 car 3-door feeder feature green line fleet coming through. Oh, I can hear it from the right side. That's that one. And that one. Hey, 3037 and 3018 is the cutoff. Alright, get on.